Hello, welcome. Today I'm going to teach you how to create international TikTok account, precisely UK TikTok account. So in this tutorial, you are not going to be using any VPN or using any tricks. It's just your smartphone, okay? Yes, so before we continue, please like, share, and comment on this video so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be the first to watch it. Let's get started. So guys, before we continue, I want you to understand that if you are in Cameroon or Nigeria or Ghana or some African country, it's very difficult to monetize your TikTok account. So that is why you need a foreign account, international account. And there are countries that TikTok is monetizable, okay? So we have countries like Italy, Germany, United Kingdom, that's UK, USA, and many other countries. But in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create your UK account.
Please make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. But straight to the point tech.
You have to create new email address. After creating new email address, log into your email as
so you input your phone password or you draw your pattern. It's loading. Loading. You input the new email you created. Bible Focus TV at gmail.com. You input your password. Click on next. Take agree. It's loading. Okay. They said you should make sure you can always sign in. Your recovery info, you will take cancel, but you can still put this one, you can take cancel. It takes you skip this stage, you can come back to that later. Okay. Now this is the email here. You click on it to log in. Okay, now the email is logged in your mailbox. So now we will go to TikTok. The final stage, we'll go back to TikTok where we'll be sharing the secret. Okay, so when you launch your TikTok, if you already have
doing a complete,
they'll ask you to create it. If you already have an account, you click on this profile here. You click on profile. Why is this thing disturbing? You click on profile. You click on these three dots here, or these three lines here. You click on settings and privacy. You scroll down. You click on switch account. You click on add new account. It's loading. Now, by continuing, you'll see the right there, by continuing with account located in CL, you agree to terms of service. You read these terms of service and also this privacy policy. If they're okay with you, you continue. So here's what you are going to do to have the UK account. You click on this CM you are seeing here. If you're in Nigeria, it will show something like Nigeria. You type United Kingdom. Click on United Kingdom, and you can see here it is showing United Kingdom. You click on use email or phone. Okay, you input your date of birth. Let me put first here. Let me put January here, and here let me put 1994. You click on continue. Now you are not going to input your phone number here. If not, it will turn to a Cameroon account or Nigerian account. So you click on email. The email you just created, you input it. Bible Focus TV. You click on get trending content, news, promotions, You click continue. Okay. Now TikTok will send you a code for you to verify your account. So we'll go now to this email. Now you see why we're creating this email and logging in so that you can easily get the code. We will refresh it and see if the email has come from TikTok. Let's refresh it. Okay, this is it. But they say 883, that is your verification code. Good. After verifying, you input your nickname. Okay, so the nickname here is Bible Focus TV. Okay, click continue, and boom, your UK TikTok account.
So after you create
your UK TikTok account is live. You can see. Let's click here to check if it's UK. So there's some few edits we are going to do, but let's just check if it's UK account. So you click on this three dot. You click on studio. Okay, TikTok studio. You can see here monetization. All the monetization features are here. Wow, this is amazing. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please drop a comment if you find this video helpful, and share this video. Subscribe to this channel. If you need a UK account or international account and don't know how to create it, drop a comment and I will get to you. We'll see how we can create it together.